Hey guys, here's things of 10 that I would never put on my car. I just want to say Raymond was an amazing mechanic. From his engineering to his drag racing and circle track racing career, uh, he was definitely a hero when it came to the automotive world for me. And I do miss him. Number 6 would be an MSD ignition box. I'm not drag racing my car or circle track racing it. I'm not running a blower. I'm not running a NOS system. It's pretty well a stock engine. So therefore, the stock ignition system, especially the Chrysler one and Chevy, and I believe Ford as well, are pretty good right out of the box. In my cars, you're going to see there's an MSD ignition coil. The only reason they're there is the charger. Yeah, I found it in a box in the car. And my Roadrunner, when I went to get a coil, because mine had died, it was the only one the parts store had readily available on the shelf. And that's it. Number 7 is flex fans. For the love of Pete, if you buy a car that has these things on, take them off. They're garbage. Twice in my life so far, I've had to replace parts because of these stupid fans grenading. Get yourself a good clutch fan, a good factory 7-blade fan. You'll have more cooling than you need. 8, these foam air cleaners. Stay away from them. Everything will be fine and dandy till your engine backfires. Then you'll have a huge fire underneath your hood where all the foam from these filters melt directly down into the carburetor, screwing up the carburetor to the point where it's almost next to impossible to clean the thing. When I was 16, I had an 81 Camaro with a 350 on it, and I thought I put some bling bling on it, and I put this stupid filter underneath. Well, the car backfired, ended up catching fire. The foam melted into the carburetor. Not alone, it also caught the fuel line on fire and every part of the harness that's sitting on top of the engine as well. As a result, I ended up having hundreds of dollars worth of damage, along with having to repaint the hood, because the fire was so intense that it actually bubbled the paint on the hood. So stay away from these things. They're garbage. Number 9, things that I never put on my car ever again, would be a cheap chrome dress-up kit. Even the high-end ones. The chrome plating is garbage. It seems to rust in no time. And when you put the chrome pulleys on, they squeak. And they're annoying. Number 10 would be airbags in the back of my truck. Airbags for me are a pain in the ass, especially on a salt truck. They rust, they leak, they always seem to fail. You need the compressor, you don't need a compressor. The compressor gets rusty from all the salt in the salt truck. They just never seem to be working. Get yourself a pair of overloads or helper springs, whatever you want to call them. They always work flawlessly. This is my opinion of the 10 things that I would never put in my car. I'm curious what you guys think. Leave a comment below. And maybe, hopefully, we can do more videos like this. Let me know. Thanks, bye.